breaking news we're following for you tonight. A child here in our state has died from the flu.
It is the first confirmed pediatric flu death in our state this season. The State Department of Public Health saying the child lived in New Haven County. Channel
3's Hartford Bureau Chief Aya Galal has been talking with doctors today. She's live tonight at Connecticut Children's in Hartford. Aya.
Hi, Mark and Aaron. And at this point, we don't know the exact age of the child who passed away, but DPH confirms that they were under the age of 9. Meanwhile, doctors continue emphasizing the importance of getting the flu vaccine. And between flu and RSV, it's been very busy here at Connecticut Children's.
So unfortunately, we're sharing the news that the first child in Connecticut passed from the flu.
Tragic news coming from the Connecticut Department of Public Health. DPH confirming a New Haven County child is dead after catching the flu.
Unfortunately, flu does this. I mean, flu does kill children every single year.
Most kids who get the flu do not need to go to the hospital, and their symptoms can typically be managed at home with recommendations from their pediatrician. DPH has not said if the child who died had any pre-existing conditions.
It can happen. Generally, kids who have more severe disease have underlying conditions.
Dr. Juan Salazar is the physician-in-chief at Connecticut Children's in Hartford. He says RSV cases at the hospital have come down, and now they're seeing more kids in the hospital with flu.
We knew this was coming, and Connecticut now is in the midst of the, probably the peak in the country with influenza cases. It switched from New York up to Connecticut and moving up further into the Northeast.
Doctors and state health officials are stressing the importance of children 6 months and older getting the flu vaccine.
Influenza is preventable, and the vaccine works, and the vaccine is effective, and the vaccine actually matches this year's flu strain quite well.
DPH says across all ages this season, Connecticut has had 22,000 flu cases, 531 hospitalizations, and 18 deaths. And in terms of whether or not people should mask up, Dr. Salazar says you should balance logic and assess risk factors for you and your family.
The flu vaccine works, the mask works. If you use the combination of both in a logical way, you will prevent infection in your household, and that's probably the best thing you can do at one point.
And doctors do expect flu cases to go up after the holiday season. Now, again, physicians here continue emphasizing the importance of the flu vaccine as well as common sense hygiene. Reporting live tonight in Hartford, Aya Galal, Channel 3 Eyewitness News.